guys, Stephen B&S Customs. Today we're going to do a ride rundown on this Lambo 80 style Fiero kick car Lamborghini. All right, inside the barn that time forgot. I'll show you why we're here. Oh yeah, it looks cool. I'm gonna have to beep that.
So we have an 86 Pontiac Fiero in an Italian suit, so it's American muscle in the Italian suit.
Woo!
Unfortunately, the garage we were storing in it had a lot of moisture, have a lot of corrosion, which we're planning on pulling it all apart and cleaning everything up and basing it for sale.
It is for sale. It's gonna be for sale.
As is, without the motor, without the rims, just the body. There's several different options we're going to be.
Oh, you are gonna part? You're not gonna keep it whole?
I'll keep it whole if someone wants it whole. I will part it out.
These are actual Lamborghini rims, right? Are they repos or are they actual?
They are remanufactured lookalikes for the, I believe, the Diablos. The back wheels are the Michelin 335/3517s. I can't remember the fronts because they were cheaper, so it didn't bother me as much.
Oh, that's a custom interior.
Yeah, I got partial Fiero.
Yeah, I know. I recognize the Fiero immediately. There was a Fiero I bought from Mike for a year. I was going to turn it into a race car for SCCA.
Which is also for sale.
Yep, we're going to show that too, actually. And that's pretty much the standard Fiero interior here we're looking at. But this thing is pretty cool. I might actually have to buy this too. I don't know. I have to hide it from the wife.
We're going to fire it up for you right now.
Oh. You know, I've never heard you fire it up.
So now, here's the thing. Getting into one of these kit cars, including the real
That's
Lamborghinis.
only 3 feet. Come on.
Well, the only way to look good doing it is you have to put your leg in, you sit on the door jamb like so, and then as you slide in, you tuck your head and go in.
Do you back it up the same way they back up a Countach? Yep.
So.
Oh. It actually hit me with the air. Oh, it looks so cool. Sounds really good too.
We started with doing some of the framework, just roughing things in. We bought a bump steer kit for the back, which is about $1,000 just for that. We do have E-box springs, FSR 5-core radiator. We were in the process of building it, trying to work out some of the bugs. Everything is fabbed but not finished. So there's a lot of little details that need to be done on this car. Rims and tires are a little bit shot when we transferred it back to where its final resting place is right now. We had salt on the road. It pitted into the wheels. It's buffing out quite well. It's just
it's gonna be
labor
resurfaced.
intensive. So
what type of transmission you have in it?
we have, God, what is it? PH 324? It's automatic.
Oh, automatic.
We had a problem. The original Fiero V8 couldn't handle the horsepower. What we have is the Ramjet 350. I believe it's 400 foot-pounds.
Fiero V8, what are you talking about?
Sorry. The GM Ramjet V8 350 small block. It supposedly does 400 foot-pounds of torque at 3,000 RPMs.
Right.
The stock transmission would not hold up to that.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't.
So we bought this trainee out of a 91 Cadillac Eldorado. It's got a transverse mount here, so the differential is actually right up here. It's almost like they split the transmission in half and ran it down the side of the motor. I have some better pictures that I'll send you and you can post.
Cool.
Obviously, this is all rough work. It was a lot cleaner, so like I said, we will be pulling.
Oh no, I saw the car when it was just painted, I think too. After it was just painted, it was beautiful.
Just to take a look at where the bad body was. The whole thing was a fiberglass kit. So we were trying to find the rough spots, so we bought single stage paint of what we were going to be using so we could run over the entire body, find the bad spots, see where the shrinkage was, trying just to get it better. We got a couple runs in there, but like I said, we were planning on repainting it.
Right.
It does come with an additional half gallon of this color in single stage. We do have an aluminum hood that we had built for it. But again, it's one of those things that was taking me way too long to do. And,
Man, look at. I can't get my thumb in there. I can get my four fingers. Four fingers, baby.
So, the back end, there is a bump steer kit, like I said, we did buy for it. It changes the way the rear suspension sets up. When you first put those wheels on and you jack it up in the back, the wheels would actually toe out about 5 inches. It was insane. If you even drove it around the parking lot, hit a bump, the thing was all over the place.
Yeah.
With that new kit in there, it definitely helped out. One of the, it's been my dream car ever since we did the, what was it, Cannonball Run.
Yeah.
Black Lambo with the 2 grills. After that, I was hooked.
Yeah.
So I always wanted one. This was going to be it. Unfortunately, as
Too bad Adrian Barbeau isn't in it.
Yeah, right. As I got older, I was running out of time. I wanted to have more fun and hang with Cousin Steve, so we went out and got the Scat Pack and said, sell everything else off.
Score.
It comes with the aluminum hood, a bunch of spare parts, willing to separate. You do not have an exterior handle on it.
Yeah, I was looking at how you get it.
So, as of right now,
still.
you just got the latch.
Yeah.
So there is no interior work done on it yet. You have to have the windshield made. Again, it's just kind of thrown together right now. We do have a wing for the back of it.
It's a good start, though. Damn.
Yeah, whoever picks it up is definitely going to be way ahead of the curve.
I mean,
we upgraded to the 91 Chevy Beretta brakes.
Good.
Which are better than the
Fiero.
stock Fiero solid discs.
Check the description for contact information if you're interested in buying the full Lambo.
Full Lambo,
yeah.
Half Fiero, half Lambo.
Yep.
Lambo.
So if the prices change or if it's still available, just check the description. All the information will be there.
You just want to make an offer.
Yep. So I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hit it, Mike!